So how long have you been reading the Quran?
About a year.
What do you know about Islam?
I know that it's the closest thing to God to me because I don't think Jesus is God. Right.
Jesus is a prophet.
He is a prophet because he was sent by God.
Sent by God. He's not the son of God.
No.
No.
See, I knew I was right.
Does God have any kids?
Not that I know of.
He wouldn't, right? Then he wouldn't be God.
Right, because God
Then
can't have children.
Then he can't. Because he's just like that.
We're done.
Okay. Ashley is
Yes, ma'am.
Ashley, you're very smart. You know that writing from within.
Yeah, I've traveled and I've seen. I went to a lot of different churches. I've tried black churches. I've tried white churches. I've tried Catholic. I was forced to be baptized
What was the
Catholic.
one thing about Islam?
Because you only have to pray to God. You don't have to go.
You're on the right track. So all you need to do is profess the faith. That's what I told her. Already is a Muslim.
So then, Sana.
All you gotta do is declare it.
So then, Sana, when is the shahadat?
Yeah, so can you repeat after me?
Ashhadu anna la ilaha illa Allah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah.
Welcome to our family. Now you say what I just told you to say, that I profess that there is no God except one God.
I profess that there is no God except one,
And that his prophet is Muhammad.
and that his prophet is Muhammad.
You are now my sister, and her sister, and all of our sisters. Welcome to the family.
You guys have like a card or something?
Yeah.
In a clip?
Yes. Yeah. You're part of my family.